Hello, quick update on my easy grown vegetables in my home garden. These are the red cherry tomatoes I just put in a bare space. The tomatoes are beginning to ripen, as you can see, and I've already had a few of them. I trimmed them when they were small but haven't done anything in a while. On the other side of the garden, I have its sibling also doing great, and I've given this also the same level of care. Haven't done much beyond trimming it at the start when I planted, and after then I've just let it to grow by itself. These are my I think costoluto tomatoes that I put in a large container, and around it are my amaranthus, aka Kalalu, African giant, doing well. The tomatoes are beginning to get ripe. I've taken off some few ripe ones from the bottom. This is one of the chilies I'm growing at home. I don't know the name of this chili, but it's beginning to get ripe. You can see one red one there. I don't want to take it off yet. Probably it helps the other greens to ripen. I give it another week and probably I will take it off if nothing changes with the other ones. Very good red, fully ripe, that little one there. I think it got ripe because it was very small than the others. Loads of other greens around, still growing. Yeah, I think in another month or so most of them will be red. These are the Maman tomatoes. It's a Maman now, not too sure. They were just spares. Look a little bit like Maman, but they actually could be costoluto. Very green, they're all still very green, but they are looking quite healthy. I've actually trimmed this ones because before now I had loads of leaves covering the tomatoes. So I've cleared it up, so the small sun it gets at least helps it to get ripe, hits the fruit directly and help them turn red. Okay guys, this is just a quick update of what's going on in my home garden. I hope this inspires you to grow in limited or small spaces rather than leaving bare grounds to just grow weeds. I'll be putting up a video this weekend. Please just look out for that. This is a quick one before the main video comes out. Catch you later. Bye.